What do we got here, bro?
Redeye Hellcat got stolen twice in a month, and they messed up all the wiring. So
Wait, these are the same headlights you put on the black Hellcat, right? That you had this cat pack. Okay, I'm starting to recognize the same ones. There was no cat.
It wasn't a scat.
Oh, it wasn't a scat.
no, the other one was a Redeye Hellcat. This is a Redeye Hellcat. See?
Supercharged.
That's why. Is that the reason why it gets stolen so many times? Because it's like supercharged Redeye or something.
I don't know. People just like stealing these cars.
Yeah, that's true.
What you got in stock on the wrap side?
Oh, on the wraps?
Yeah.
I'll show you.
Because I would want it white and black. You know what I'm saying? It's just because that's the color it is already. You know what I'm saying? But shit, motherfucker, you gonna throw a whole nother.
Yeah, you want the full AZ Customs package.
But that's all he's missing is a wrap.
Yeah, for real. And a detail.
I got all these colors right here. I can do blue, olive green, baby blue.
That olive green would be fire.
This titanium blue go crazy.
I want shit to shine, bro. I want this glossy shit.
The gloss,
Yeah.
that shit shines.
Bro, I swear I was gonna say pray for me thinking that I have that shit. I always had that shit on.
He literally, you did. I did see you.
You saw me, I was already about to say that shit. Like,
We got a party going on right now.
They look like a demon on these wheels.
Yeah, they do. They look crazy.
There ain't no grip on these wheels. Look at that shit.
Hey, that's how mine be looking when I go to Cali.
That's and then you're like, why are my tires always failing? There's literally no Hey, when girls be like, I don't need no man, I can do it by myself. So this is the one that is gonna go underneath. He's testing it, make sure it works with the
RGB. Solid. Is that good enough for a win?
take a shot for this. Like.
Yeah, you gotta take a little shot. It's cool, take a shot.
These? Oh, yeah, hold on. This is my third shot. hey. I'm the rapper. I was in some like.
Yeah, take that shot. Hit that gallo. Ah!
Me vale verga. Me vale verga, me gusta la loquera.
Hey, it was coming in though.
Hurry up, man. I'm running out of space.
Le gusta la morra, la loquera. Quiero la morena o esa güera. Yo sí lo compro ya de veras. Mira, tengo hueca la güey, de veras.
Dodge dealer, and they put their plate. We're gonna take that plate off. We're gonna put mine back on.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna give him some free tires because I had them anyways, and he's a return customer.
And he's getting an AZCUSTOMZ customized
About 3 times. About 3 times. Cause he fucked my shit up. No, he didn't. Yeah, he the boss on this shit. He ain't got no competition out here. He killed the whole gang. Fact.
Yeah, he quick. He
killed the whole
business.
gang, bro.
He business.
The starlights are fixed too.
Everything fixed.
Bam.
AZ Custom, just like that. Number 1. Real shit. Number 1 Hellcat. Out west.
Oh
That's what I heard. That this is the fastest one, huh?
Yeah. Look, it ain't lying. It ain't lying. You see that red eye?
That's crazy.
See that red eye? Hurt the game. And wait till he wrap it though. Oh my God.
She don't want a puppy. She want a big dog.
But if I grab your phone, what's on replay?
I'm not gonna lie, bro. And I know this just sounds like everybody got this right now, but my shit right now, I'm playing with Cardi hard.
Oh, that
Like,
shit.
the whole thing, I'm just rocking on that. Yeah, the whole shit. I'm just
What?
like, damn, this one, his beats are so fucking
Fire.
bastard. Like,
What's your?
that's Kanye West's favorite musician, he said, for a reason. Like, he didn't say like rapper, like he said like musician. That's what's up. Yeah, who's tripping?
Hey, I put that hoe cause they know that bitch is tracing. I'm 1G and you know that it's my season. Talk shit, and I'ma hit you with the glico. I ain't fucking with you, lame ass motherfucking people. Hey.
La tierra sacudió las hojas de su cuarto, cambiaban de estación. Nubes de rencor revelaban su intención de inminente destrucción. Fue una cruel separación que conduce a una espiral de la lava del volcán que está a punto de...
That's open.
Where's that at?
On Bethany.
On Bethany?
27th and Bethany.
All right, let's go.
You know how to get there, right?
27th Avenue in Bethany?
Yeah.
Where we going right now, man?
We're gonna help the homie and take two tires that I have. I gave them to him, so we're gonna help him out since he's a return customer. And they were just sitting there, so.
Okay, man. He gonna follow us on that red eye right there.
Acabar con todo.
Now
Tierra sacudió las hojas de su cuarto, cambiaban de estación. Nubes de rencor revelaban su intención de inminente destrucción.
Huh? These are the bad ones.
Yeah, I know. Those are all different types.
This them always always. Get my skirt. This is the wire.
That bitch is island one.
yeah, that bitch was loud, bro. I ain't not gonna lie, bro. That shit fire.
Hey, that's what they for, though, right?
Yeah, that's what I tell them. That's what they from. Real shit.
You gotta have a fast car, gotta have fun with it, right?
All right, bro. I'll see you later.
Thanks, bro.
Yep.
Have a good one, man.
Hey, tag me in. Ricky Steele.
Always. I got you. Getting out of here. Dropping off the homie. Getting him some tires. We out of here. Next adventure.
Yeah, another happy customer. Every customer is always happy.
Always happy.
Always.
Absolutely.
Hey, man, you bow. You talking about me, bow. You bow. You the whole time. Red light. The whole time.
Hey, get rid of some yours.
Important. And you're saying a lot of these places don't post heat.
Yep. That's where everybody fails. The post heating.
That's why you paid the premium price for the AZ Customs.
I'll take 2 hours post heating everything. 3 hours post heating the car.